Cayenne is going electric, and it is a technological milestone for Porsche. For more than 20 years, the Cayenne has shaped the SUV segment as Porsche's most versatile sports car. Now it combines electric performance with proven everyday usability, great long-distance comfort, and uncompromising off-road capability. We are launching with two models, the Cayenne and the Cayenne Turbo. Both feature all-wheel drive and Porsche typical E-performance. It's unmistakably a Cayenne, yet it's more aerodynamic, progressive, and customizable than ever. Striking features include the low bonnet and the Matrix LED main headlights, with all their functions integrated into one unit. A distinctive light strip with pronounced 3D graphics at the rear, and illuminated Porsche lettering as standard. Viewed from the side, Cayenne typical proportions, the iconic Porsche flyline, and wheels up to 22 inches. The Cayenne Electric has an exceptionally low drag coefficient. The Turbo also benefits from active aero blades. Never before has a Cayenne been so individually configurable. We are offering a greater choice of colors, equipment packages, and wheels than ever before. Through Porsche exclusive Manufaktur and our Sonderwunsch program, there is also the possibility to fulfill bespoke requests, right down to a one-of-a-kind vehicle. This doesn't just apply to the car. Cayenne customers can now also order a watch, customized to the very last detail to match their car, via the custom-built timepieces program offered by Porsche Design. Luxury and utility come together in the Cayenne Electric like never before. The Cayenne Electric has grown, especially in terms of its wheelbase, and therefore offers a great sense of space. In addition, there are many new comfort features, such as an electric rear seat system, surface heating, and the panoramic glass sunroof with variable light control. Luggage capacity increases significantly thanks to the 90-liter frunk alone. The Cayenne Electric is also among the first BEVs with a towering capacity of up to 3.5 tons. The Cayenne Electric features the largest display area ever seen in a Porsche. A highlight is the innovative Flow display, harmoniously integrated like all other screens. For frequently used functions, there are haptic knobs and buttons. Our new handrest enables ergonomic operation for the driver, even during especially spirited driving. A new operating system enables fast and powerful infotainment, and an AI-supported voice assistant. Widgets provide access to preferred functions. The color scheme of all displays can be individually customized. And through the Porsche App Center, numerous third-party apps can be directly integrated into the vehicle. And the new mood modes turn the interior into an experience space. We are relying on a threefold drive strategy for the Cayenne in the long term. We will be continuing to develop the current generation with efficient combustion engines and hybrid drives well into the next decade. The exceptional level of performance is achieved solely by the new Cayenne Electric. It sets the standard for the future, especially the flagship turbo version, the most powerful production model ever from Porsche. Thanks to innovations like direct oil cooling of the rear electric motor and a function-integrated high-voltage battery that is cooled on both sides, the Turbo achieves performance levels comparable to super sports cars. Up to 1,156 PS and 1,500 Newton-meter of torque, 260 kilometers per hour top speed, and acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Even the entry-level model offers true E-performance with up to 442 PS. The Cayenne Electric offers completely new levels of charging convenience, fast, robust, and, as an option, wireless. That means up to 400 kilowatts of charging power during fast charging, from 10 to 80% charge in less than 16 minutes. Recharge for more than 300 kilometers in just 10 minutes. During braking, the Cayenne recovers energy up to 600 kilowatts. That's on a par with Formula E. And it's one of the first EVs worldwide that can charge inductively with 11 kilowatts. The combined WLTP range is more than 600 kilometers for both models. With its hat trick of travel comfort, driving dynamics, and off-road capability, we reach a new dimension with the Cayenne. An air suspension system with active damping control is standard, with the optional Porsche Active Ride active chassis, rear axle steering with up to 5 degrees of steering angle, the limited slip rear differential available for the turbo, and the PCCB ceramic brakes. Our new all-electric SUV stands for an exceptional breadth of agility and comfort. Unmistakably a Porsche, unmistakably a Cayenne.